Anthony, what's up? Here for the signals. Get me a payout, bro. No. Hey, real talk though. Tell me how the audio sounds. Does it sound a little bit better? I've been trying to mess with it, fam. I've been trying to figure out why my audio has been so quiet. I don't know. Maybe I fixed it. I don't know. You guys have to tell me, bro. Y'all gonna have to tell me. What up, Darty? Sounds good. Am I nice and loud or am I quiet? Crispy and loud. Okay. I love it. So audio is fixed then, I'm assuming. Stop yelling. I can make it more loud. There. I mean, I made it a little bit more loud. Hopefully I don't peak. Volume only halfway up on my phone. I feel like you're yelling at me. All right, so that lets me know that the audio issues are fixed. Love to hear that. Fam, we got some sellers in the building. There's some sellers in the market today. Really, we broke this area. Sellers are getting pretty heavy here. I'm gonna short any pop today. So if we get a pop off open, I might short it. I'm not gonna lie. I'm gonna drag this up. We're trading per dia. I know my camera might be a little bit dark, fam. That's because I'm not turning my light on just because I don't want a light blinding me in the face right now. So y'all gonna have to just deal with a dark camera. Actually, here I could do this. Let's see. What's up, Bo? Ismail, what up? We are trading per dia today. If I see something worth taking in my Tradify accounts, I will take it. But we're trading some per dia account, the per dia account today. See how we get that going. You generally don't even feel like trading today. Might just chill out. Hey, there's nothing wrong with that. There is nothing wrong with that. Your image too dark. I know. It's because I don't want to turn my... All right, fine, Godly. Y'all talk me into it. There. I can't see. So bright. I didn't want to turn it on because I didn't want to be blinded this morning, but here we are. Well, here's the seller just straight up dumping us. I mean, really dumping us. Hang on, fam. Be right back. Why didn't I short the NQ? I didn't get the pop I was looking for. But yeah, I mean, sellers are just, they're here. They're here. They're in the building. I mean, we just straight up melting. Fair value gap. I don't really trade fair value gaps, to be honest with you. I don't, yeah. Not much of an ICT trader. Like I've seen his stuff and I've used some of it in the past and just like to try it out, but not much. I don't know. Not much of an ICT guy. Let's see what news we have today, if we have any. We don't have any news. If you trade crude oil, there's a little bit of news at noon today, but other than that, we don't really have anything. You'll watch the FEGs, but interests are determined by the oil flow in those areas. Yeah. I hear you. Should probably let people know in Discord that we live on YouTube. G-Man, what up? How we living, bro? Yo, talk to me. While the market's dumping and we're just waiting for an entry to get short, talk to me. How was y'all's Christmas, man? What did y'all do for Christmas? How was your holiday? Talk to me a little bit. We got nothing to do. We're market's dumping, waiting on an entry to get short. I don't know if we're gonna get an entry because I mean this is literally see drops from 862. This is a 100.5 minute candle. You kids got way too much. Ain't nothing wrong with that. They deserve it. Drink wine and ate steak with Thai girls. Not a bad Christmas. I mean, I'm not gonna disagree. Christmas is on hold till I pick up my twins on Monday. I feel you. Wife and 3 kids, got everything they wanted. Good. As long as they got what they wanted, that's all that matters. I usually trade off the 5 minute. I watch the 30 minute as well, but I watch the 5 minute quite a bit. It's just what I'm used to. It's what I read the charts well off of. Fam, this is a just mega dump. Mega dump. I mean, we're just going straight down. With no signs of slowing down. You're so happy this is happening. Hey, all-time highs. I do too. All-time highs is so hard to trade. It really is. It's a hard thing to trade. Fam, while I got people in here and we're just kind of waiting on entry, I'm going to give you a little teaser of what's coming in 2025. I'm going to give you a little teaser. You guys know that I have affiliate codes with like Tradeify, Take Profit, Perdia, stuff like that. In 2025, here's what we're going to do. When you reach a certain threshold on using my code for these prop firms, I'm going to gift you a free account. I'm stealing this idea from Take Profit. Take Profit, they do this thing where you reach a certain threshold. It's for like their affiliates or whatever. You reach a certain threshold and they gift you an account. Right? I'm going to start doing that for you guys. Because I know a lot of you guys use my code for a lot of different prop firms. And so once you reach a certain threshold on like how much you've used my code, I'm going to gift you free accounts. Like there's going to be tiers to it, right? So like if you, I'm trying to like really frame this here. You reach a certain threshold, you get gifted a 50K account, right? Whether it's Top Step, Take Profit, whatever. Then you get the next threshold, you get gifted a 100K account. And then the next threshold, you get gifted a 150K account. So I think I'm gonna start doing that. And then there's also, which Darty just mentioned, there's somebody that does like the whole 5% back, whatever. I'm gonna top that, and I might do 10% just to give back to you guys. So I might top it. I don't know. We'll see. We'll see. Get a top step code. I tried. Top Step wanted me. They like win exclusive, and so I don't know. Like I had a Zoom call with them about being an affiliate, and they mentioned they wanted to bring me on in like the first of 2025, like in January, first part of the year. But I just don't think I can do it. I don't think I can go exclusive with somebody, just because then that means I can't be as transparent as I want to be, right? It kind of prevents me from being transparent. Like if something happens with Top Step, like rule changes or something that I don't agree with, then I can't be transparent, right? And so I don't want to do that. Plus, a lot of my audience, like they watch my YouTube channel for prop firm videos and things like that, which I'm trying to like get a good balance of the type of videos that I put on YouTube now, because a lot of my videos have been like prop firm videos, and but I'm trying to now mix in like more trading content. The problem with the trading content on YouTube though, chat, is like it's so saturated. There's so many YouTubers that put out like trading content that people just don't care, right? People don't care about trading content. They really care. Like right now, they care about prop firm videos. And but I also don't want to be just like a prop firm news source. You know what I mean? Because I'm also a trader, and so like I'm trying to find like a good balance between making prop firm videos, but then also putting out trading content as well. So it's weird. It's tricky. For whatever reason, trading content it doesn't do well. I think it's because it's so overly saturated on YouTube that there's just trading content everywhere that people are kind of like almost desensitized to just watching trading content. They don't get that buzz. You know what I mean? Like when you watch a YouTube video, you gotta do like you gotta get like a little buzz from it. You know what I mean? Like you gotta be hyped and excited to learn, like to like learn something new or whatever. And like it just seems like trading content just doesn't do that for people anymore. So yeah, so Shameless, if I said your name right. I am doing that actually. That's funny you bring that up. So in January, I'm releasing this video. I think I might even do it today or tomorrow, but I am doing a challenge. So like I am gonna do a YouTube series where I'm gonna trade Top Step, My Fun and Futures, Apex, which y'all know I'm not a big fan of Apex, but I'm gonna do a challenge to see if I get Apex to pay me. I'm gonna see if I can do it. I think that's gonna be the first one. In fact, I'm gonna do that first. I'm gonna do an Apex challenge to see if Apex pays me when I request a payout. Because I can get their 50Ks. Like I can buy 20 of their 50Ks. I'll get those funded. I'll trade micros. I'll get them funded. But I'm gonna do a challenge to see if I can get a payout from Apex. But I'm only gonna trade micros, right? So, and how I'm gonna do it is I'm gonna trade 2 to 4 micros, right? And that's it. 2 to 4 micros on the PAs, right? I'm not gonna DCA. I'm not gonna add to losers. I'm gonna enter with 2 micros. If a trade goes in my favor, I'm gonna add 2 more micros for a max of 4 micros per trade. They will have no reason to deny me, nothing. So and I'm gonna have everything recorded and posted as a series on my YouTube channel. So it's gonna be all public, and it's gonna be interesting. It's gonna be interesting. I think I'm gonna do that first. It'll be fun. Yo, we just keep dumping. Like, I don't even know if I'm gonna get an entry in chat. I don't want to chase this all the way down here. I would rather get a better entry. Gonna force them to pay you and only. I know they pay. Like, I know that people have gotten paid by them. But I'm gonna see what we can do. All right, let's look at levels here, see what we got going on. Makes sense for a balance in this general range, but we're so heavy on sell side that I'm not expecting too much of a bounce. If we can get a little bit of a pop, maybe say back up into like the 70s, that might be a little aggressive. Maybe like the 50s. We'll look to potentially take this short. Yeah, I'm thinking like the 50s. $650 level. See if we get an entry here. Trading 705, 714. So we'll see if we can get a pop up to 750. Do you need to switch to micros? I always recommend trading micros, especially on funded accounts. I mean, I traded sometimes. I trade minis on like evals or whatever, but on funded accounts, I definitely recommend doing micros. One mini does equal 10 micros. Yep. Get a little push here. We're trading 720s. Some decent buying pressure here. Again, I really want the 750s. For all you fair value gap traders. Anthony, shut your mouth, bro. Live volume profile. I do too. Yeah, volume profile is a good tool to use. I have it on my Tradeovate charts on my top monitor. You can see it up here. All right, trade 740s. A lot of buying. Also, fam, if you're in my Discord, I know there's a lot of like people that try to impersonate me. There's a lot of fake J Morgan profiles. Just ignore them. I'm doing my best to like block them the best I can and to ban them from my Discord channel, but unfortunately, you know, they can just recreate profiles. I just banned 2 of them that were fake. So we aren't friends 32 different times now. No. It happens, man. I don't know how to stop it, to be honest. I don't know if it happens to other people that own Discord servers. I really don't know how to stop it. I mean, I get friend requests from people like Trades by Matt and like other like Discord owners as well. So I know that it happens to them, but I don't know how to stop it. Really still want 750s. I don't really want to short here. Want the 750s. Only way is a paid Discord. Yeah, that's true. That is true. Yeah, you could send it. The only thing I don't want to happen is if someone like does join Discord and they're legit and they change their name and it bans them. You know what I mean? It's the one thing I want to avoid. Fam, just want to give you guys a reminder because Tate Profit just emailed me, just not emails. They are doing 40% off right now, lifetime discount any account size, and you get 100% of your initial test fee refunded on your first withdrawal. So if you want to get an account with them, code JM will get you that best deal. But that deal is ending soon, apparently. I don't know when it ends because they don't have a date on this email, but if you do want to lock up the 40% off with your test fee refunded on your first withdrawal, I would do that soon. How much does that need a solid firm? I like toss up, but at the same time, I see many people complain about payouts, and I don't want to pay an arm and leg for new firm. Yeah, take profit's not that expensive. They're not bad. Okay, I wasn't even paying attention, chat. We went to 745. I need to be watching here. Volume seems like it's kind of dying out really fast today. Like, Chad, does it feel like just everything's moving super slow today? I mean, there is no news, so we're not going to have much. It's not going to move a whole lot. Like, or move fast, rather, I should say. We might move a lot, but it's not. It may not move that fast. Yeah, trading view is the way to go. Oak, what up? Been a minute, I feel like. Welcome back. And sellers. Chat, y'all had me talking. I wasn't even paying attention, bro. And now I missed my entry because I wasn't paying attention. I blame you guys, bro. Literally, I blame you guys. Which prop firm and account type would be the easiest for a newbie to pass? My opinion, Top Step has the easiest rules. I'm sorry if I'm coughing a lot, fam. I'm still like, my kids are sick. I'm still got a cough. It's annoying. Yep, code JM. Code JM on all firms. I mean, take profit, Stratify. Code JM will lock you on the best deals for all of those. You also see it in the corner of your screen there as well. Not liking Apex lately. Never been a huge fan of Apex in general, but I am gonna give them a shot next month. I'm gonna buy 20 accounts and do a challenge of getting those funded and getting a payout, and I'm gonna document it in a YouTube series. Chop City, baby. Holy moly. I still want to get short. I'm struggling with where we're at in price. I'm going to trade them using micros. I'm going to do the evals with micros and the fundeds. If I get them funded, obviously I'm not going to say I am, because I could fail the challenge a couple times before I get them passed. But when I do get them passed, because I will, it'll be micros. When I'm doing evaluations, what's my percentage goal each day or week? To be honest, I really don't set a specific number. You know what I mean? I trade what's in front of me, like what the market gives me. If there's a trade, I'm going to take it. If there's not, I'm not going to trade. Obviously, if I have a big day, I'll stop. But like, I don't have a specific number or percentage that I'm just like, okay, this is good. I really just take what the market gives me. You know what I mean? How do I determine size and risk? Obviously, always want to have like a good 2-to-1 at least, right? I don't like having 1-to-1 trades because then you got to have a really high win rate, and that just makes trading harder. So I usually try to aim for at least the 2-to-1. Position sizing, as far as position sizing goes, I really changed how I enter trades now. I have sized down a lot lately. I'm a big fan of micros, and I'm going to continue trading them pretty much all of 2025. But I'll start off with like a few micros, and I'll trade anything all the way up to, a full mini on micros. But I'm going to be adding into positions, right? It's like I'll start with a position size of like maybe 3 to 4 micros. Not in this account, but in other accounts, I'll start with 3 to 4 micros and then kind of add into it as I get more confirmation of my trade being correct and going in my favor. Do you have a daily profit goal or just make as much as you can? Yeah, like I said, I don't really have like a daily profit goal. It's like a set amount for like, okay, I'm good. Again, I just like to trade what's in front of me, right? If the market's moving and it's presenting setups, I'm gonna take advantage of those trades. Now, obviously, like if I'm up like thousands of dollars, right? If I make like $1,000 on the day, I will probably call it, right? But if I'm up, just a few hundred or 500, whatever, I might stick around and see as long as the market's moving, I will stick around and see if anything else presents itself. 25K daily loss limit is kind of scary. Yeah. See, fam, y'all had me talking and I missed the entry. That's annoying because that's a big drop. You have to have a tight stop loss for trade minis. Yeah. You those minis they'll get you. That's why I always recommend trading micros. You think about it, like even on a 150K account, right? If you're trading a 150K account, your drawdown on those accounts are typically 4,500, right? So you're not trading a 150K account. You're trading 4,500. That's what you're trading. And on 4,500, you should not be trading minis, right? If you're in like a personal account where you funded a real personal account with $4,500, you shouldn't be trading minis. You'd be trading micros, right? So if you think about it, you should trade how you would trade a personal live account. That's how you'd have longevity profit runs, and probably how you would stop blowing funded accounts as well. Problem is, too many people, they want to make a lot of money really fast, and that causes people to blow up. How come you don't set a limit order? Sometimes I do, sometimes I don't. In this case, I just didn't. That's on me. For combines, I do minis because I want to move to XFA and then do micros. I feel that. I mean, some people trade their their evaluations more aggressively just to get to the XFA level or the funded level. And I understand that. I've done that too. In fact, I don't know. The first round of when I do Apex 20 accounts, the first round of the 20 accounts, I might trade them aggressively, right? I might do one mini and scout my way to the profit target to get them past. But if that doesn't work out, I'll just go back to micros, because trading a mini on 50K, that's just not good. It's not good. Don't recommend doing that. But I'll probably try to trade them pretty aggressively the first time around, and then if that doesn't work, I will trade more passively with micros. But then when I get to that funded level, we're doing nothing but micros. I mean, I'm not going to risk anything for them. I'm not going to give them any reason to deny me a payout. No reason at all. And I'm gonna have everything documented too, because and Apex knows. Like I've made videos about them. They know I'm not a huge fan of Apex. Their COO Mark, he's been in my DMs talking to me about Apex and some other things, and so if I have all the proof of my trades in video on YouTube, and I show that, they would be stupid to deny me. Honestly, they would be stupid. Because that would basically expose their entire firm. Especially if I don't give them a reason to. Yeah, my code will just if you want to support the channel, then you can use my code to get those accounts. But my code will still get you that discount. But if it's just for you to support the channel if you want to do that. A lot of money that I make from affiliate stuff, I either put into my equipment for streaming, or I give it back to the community through giveaways and stuff like that. So try to give back as much as possible. Which is also why I want to do like the free accounts once you do like a certain threshold. By using my code. So we're gonna do something special for you guys. I mean, we're just going straight down. We missed this train, chat. We had our one entry in mind and we missed it. Now we're moving. I hope you guys took that, because I sure didn't. I hope y'all took it. I do like where we're bouncing at. Where is my... Hello? There we go. I do like this area. I got joke. Tuxedo, what up? Good morning. Good morning. Trading pretty much 600s right now. Just gonna be patient. I already missed my first entry that I wanted, so now we just gotta be patient and wait for something else to pop up here. We could potentially catch a reversal. That would be probably closer down to the lower 500s if we do catch a reversal. I don't really expect it to happen here, but could. But if I plan on catching a reversal, it'd be closer to the 500 level. Just press the sell button and make money. I would love to, honestly. I would love to, but I'm not chasing it. I'm not doing it. I had one entry. I missed it. We're gonna wait for the next one. Interesting little close on this candle here. Makes me think we could get a short-term pop given the close on this candle. And just given the area that we're in general. It's interesting. Not good trend day, so I'll likely not take a trade. Yeah, I mean, some people struggle with trend days. They can be difficult for some people just because the moves are already happening and it just keeps going and going and going, and you don't want to chase it, right? Flexi trade shut down. I sure did. Flexi trade. Sorry. Sorry, fam. My voice might be a short stream. My voice might go pretty quick. Yeah, Flexi trade did shut down. Another prop firm bit the dust. 300-point move and a 40-point pullback. I'll wait. Yeah, this is it's interesting PA here. It's interesting. Major dump, but those pullbacks are sharp. Yeah, I mean, if we get in this level, I would look for a reversal more so here, but I'm getting kind of interested in it where we are. I do recommend, if you look in Discord, you'll see under trading resources channel, there's a channel in there for trading books. All of them, I recommend all of the ones I have in there. I'd be looking for structure to build in here. I would like some wicks to build, a little bit of structure to play off of, just for me to have a good risk and an idea for a stop loss. So that's what I would like. But I could get it here, honestly. I don't know. It's tough. It is tough. I like the area that we're in. I mean, it makes sense to catch a balance where we're at in general. But, man, we just been a falling knife all morning. We are nice and green on the week too, so I'm trying to be selective because I do want to protect my profits this week. It is a don't F it up Friday. You know what I mean? It's also the last Friday of the year, chat. This is the last Friday of 2024. Waiting for IB to set. It's a good call. That is a good call. Be right back, chat. All right, we came down into the zone here. See how we react. Seller's getting pretty heavy. We have a huge IB. A massive initial balance, bro. That is crazy. Easiest day? Yeah, it is easy. I mean, I had my one trade idea and I missed it. I absolutely missed it. I'm getting interested though in this area. I'm gonna really watch and see how we react down here. I'm gonna take two micros long, given this area that we're in. I can afford a wide stop loss on this. I'm only in 2 micros. I can afford a drop if it goes against me. Probably below 500, I would get out. If we were to dip below 500, that would probably be the line in the sand for me. But we'll see if we can catch it. I'm going to add 1 micro. We're going to go in 3 micros now. Looking good. Add 1 more micro here on this small little pullback. So we're in 4 total. That'll be max position size. I won't add any more than that. I'll take it out right there. GG's. Bang, bang. Happy with that. Happy with that. That was a good 300-point trade off 4 micros. We'll take it. We will take that all day. Chat, what a level, huh? What a level. Trust the levels. That's right. You just gotta trust the levels, man. Just gotta trust them. Have an idea. We came into chat. You want a little pro tip here? I'm about to give you a pro tip that nobody tells you. Maybe you've heard this before. Guarantee majority of you haven't. But to give yourself the best possible route of success, come into the day with 3 scenarios, right? 3. Come in with 3 scenarios. Our first scenario was to get short off any pop. Fortunately, we did miss our first entry because we were talking. Right? But then our very next level that we identified was this, right? Was this level. Give yourself multiple options, and that'll give you more of a chance of having success in your day. Sounds simple, sounds easy, but not a lot of people will talk about that. They'll come in with like one directional bias, right? They'll be like, oh, I'm looking for shorts on the day. And they'll forget about any other level that's of major importance, right? Give yourself 2 to 3 different scenarios on the day. I promise you, you'll gain much more clarity in your trading. A little bit of a pullback here. We'll see if sellers bring us back down or if buyers want to step back up and send us a little bit higher. We might try to get one more run up higher here. If we hold this. Oh man, my voice is starting to go, chat. I might have to call a stream early today. Oh, 300 on my trade file. Let's go, GG's. Do you do payouts to the firm or TradingView? The firm. Most fulfilling thing about being a trader, having time to spend with my kids. Have made trades yet? Yeah, we just took one. It's a good level. See what the rest of the day brings. Probably gonna call a stream early though, because I can feel my voice giving out. But we'll definitely be hanging out in Discord. Bull flag. With that said, fam, I think we're gonna call it. My voice is going, chat. I'm still sick and have a cough, so my voice is giving out. I'm gonna go ahead and call it there. I will be in Discord though. If you guys, hope you guys have a good weekend. If I don't see you in Discord, but fam, I will be there in Discord chatting up. Fam,